What's up guys and welcome to a new video. Your jawline is one of the main aspects of a masculine and more defined face that will make you look more attractive as well. Of course it is also determined by your genetics on how your jawline will look, but there are also tons of methods that you can use in order to maximize the definition of your jawline. And as we already talked about things that you can do in order to get a more chiseled and defined jawline, let's talk about 5 things that you maybe do on a daily basis that are winning your jawline. But before we're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second and smash that like and subscribe button down below. Become part of the family and commit yourself to become your best version possible, because I will upload every single day a new video to help you to become your best and most attractive version ever. Alright guys, let's jump into this video and start with the first thing that you maybe do that is ruining your jawline, which is simply eating too much soft food instead of hard food. In today's society it is very common to eat processed food, which is already easy to eat and soft as well. But one of the consequences is that it will not train the muscles of your jawline. By always eating soft and processed food, it is nearly impossible to strengthen the muscles of your jawline. Instead, make sure to eat a lot of raw foods like for example nuts, apples and other fruits and vegetables. That will train the muscles of your jawline and in the end lead to a more chiseled and defined jawline as well. A very simple but still very effective way that you should definitely try out. Alright, let's continue with number 2. Always breathing through your mouth instead of your nose. By always breathing through your mouth instead of your nose, all the muscles in your jaw, neck and mouth area are always relaxed and not under tension. In comparison with that, if you breathe through your nose, your mouth and jaw will be more under tension and your jaw muscles get trained and become stronger and more defined as well. The earlier you start, the better your face shape will become. It is also better for your health as it can prevent you from several diseases that can be caused by always breathing through your mouth. Let's continue with number 3. Don't have a neck beard. Your face and neck will become one if you don't shave it. Even if you grow a beard, always make sure that your neck area is always perfectly shaved. And you can also work with your beard to emphasize your jawline by simply using different kind of hair lengths. Let's continue with the next one, which is not drinking enough water. If you're not drinking enough water, your body will start to retain water, which can lead to a more swollen and bloated face. Therefore, your jawline will not look as chiseled and defined as it could be. Also, by drinking more water, your body will burn more calories, which will lead to a more defined face as well. Besides that, drinking more water has a lot of other benefits for your attractiveness, health and well-being as well. So always make sure to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water per day and you're good to go. And last but not least guys, an incorrect tongue posture, also known as mewing. Mewing is basically a technique where you push your tongue against the roof of your mouth. It has an instant effect on your face structure and jawline as well. By pushing your tongue against the roof of your mouth, your face structure and jawline will directly look more defined. And by doing it for a longer period of time, so making it a habit, it can basically help you to widen your jawline and also improve the structure of your cheekbones as well. So definitely make sure to try it out and let me know your experiences. And that's basically it for today's video. Share this video with a friend who needs to see it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as well. Smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.